Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both the AirPods and the case have some charge. Low battery interrupts pairing. Next, open your Android settings and go straight to Bluetooth. Leave that screen visible so the phone actively scans. With the AirPods in the open case, press and hold the small setup button on the back until the status LED blinks white. This forces discovery mode. Once you see the AirPods appear on your phone, tap the device name to initiate the connection and complete the basic link. After the initial link, tap the AirPods entry and accept any pairing prompts. This establishes audio and control paths. Then, if you want the best sound, switch to AAC in Android's Bluetooth codec options, open developer options, and pick AAC when supported, because codec choice affects latency and quality. Make sure you grant microphone and media access so calls and media controls work properly. Without those permissions, the mic or play/pause may fail. Once configured, test audio and a quick call to verify both sides function. Finish by installing a companion app if you want visible battery percentages or to map gestures. These apps bridge features missing on Android. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods. Hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing steps. Note, firmware updates must be applied via an Apple device. Make sure AirPods are up to date before troubleshooting persistent bugs. If controls behave oddly, repairing after update typically resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.